And welcome back everybody. I just did a video how you can earn free money. Make sure you watch the video. It should be live tomorrow or maybe yesterday. Okay, so this is CryptoPhil and I just want to make a very short video regarding meme tokens. What is the next hot meme tokens to be bought right now, and can these meme tokens do 100x, 50x? What meme tokens can do the next 1000x? And we're going to find out in the next few minutes. Make sure you watch, subscribe this video to the end, because that's how you can learn what's the secret sauce at the end. Okay, so in a nutshell, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and you can lose everything, okay? Everything. Or you can make a lot of money. Maybe. You never know. You never know. Life is crazy. Okay, let's go back and let's see some meme tokens. Meme tokens are right here. So what you need to do first, you need to go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, go to categories and open meme tokens. And I will open for you. Doge token is number 1, Shiba is number 2. Doge token at the moment we're sitting market cap of 20 billion with B billion dollars. Shiba, we're talking about 14 billion. Pepe, 3.8 billion. Pepe was sitting around 300-400 million for months and months and months. Doge with hat, crazy, going downside now, about 2.6 billion. But this is crazy. So check this out. If you go and open Doge token, okay, just go and open Doge token and go and see, let me see the market cap. The market cap hit all-time high was, if I'm not mistaken, around 60 something billion dollars. That is crazy. 60 something right here is the market cap. So it was around 60 billion bucks. And that is very serious. Let me see. Yeah, 65 billion dollars. That is crazy, all right? That is crazy. Just imagine 60 billion, right? What do you think with the market cap of Doge token going to happen when Bitcoin going to hit 100,000? It's not if, it's when. When Bitcoin going to hit 100,000 bucks, this one going to hit probably $1. It's only 7x from now. When Doge token hit $1, or when Pepe hit probably 30 million 10x from now, everything down is going to explode. So go and open and just check, okay, what's down today? Because when the market go red, make sure you take some action, okay? Again, not financial advice. That is what I'm doing. When the market is red, I am usually trying to get in. When the market is green, I'm trying to get out. Simple as that. Buy when it's red, sell when it's green. Okay, so, and also just to mention Bet Fury, all right? So Bet Fury I did mention last week, and while I mentioned, it's already up 60-70% when I'm doing this video. So check this out, BFG token. So go on CoinGecko, check them out. It's blow up in the last month, 94%. Last week when I mentioned, from last week till today, it was around 0.15 or something, and it almost right now is 0.29. So almost double the price. It depends when you watch this video. Now, just for the Bet Fury, just to mention, if you go and check them out, you will see they have a great exclusive offering. Okay, so this is like a, you can go, you can play some casino games and all this stuff on online, and also they have for like Tether USDT 130% APR, for Toncoin 140% APR, and for Notcoin I didn't even know this one, but I have 150% APR, and this is the duration, 40 days, 40 days, 40 days, and the event here is going to finish 25 days, this one 25 days, and this one 25 days. So go and check them out and make sure you understand and go and read the little bit of how it's explaining what's mean exclusive and also what's mean a Vega, okay? Right here, because you have required wager, 500 bucks. So you go and check how is it working. Right here in the description, everything is explained. It was right here, okay? So this is the question or FAQ. So everything is explained here how it's working, but the APR right here is extremely juicy, especially on Toncoin and USDT single. All right, let's go back. This is very interesting, okay? This is the secret sauce what nobody telling you. Everybody say go buy Pepe, go buy Doge, okay? Maybe because Pepe is only 3.8 billion. It is a lot, but just to come to Doge token, what is not like impossible. It's 7x from right now, 6.5x. WIF is around 10x, like 8x from right now, and that is crazy. And if you're going down here, like Bread is only 370 million bucks market cap. If this one Bread, what is the meme tokens on the exchange on base, make sure you find out every exchange have their own meme tokens, what is number one. So if Bread just come to Pepe, that's around 12x from now when I'm making this video. If that's hit Doge token, that's around what, 70x when I'm doing this video just to hit a Doge token, and that is crazy. Okay, that is very, very crazy. So check this out, go down, see what's the market cap. More lower the market cap, more the price can go up, again more the risk it is. Again, remember, you need to check the trading volume is huge. If the trading volume is not big, don't even go there. So that's what I'm doing. So check this out. So Ponky, that's 180% up in the last week. I'm not even touching that. But if you go down here, you will see 13 million volume in the 24 hours, what is not bad, and the price has been going down and down on Van. So maybe it's good one, only 128 million. Of course, if you go even down more and see what's trading, 6 Floxy, 16 million trading volume, and the market cap is only 40 million. So maybe that's interesting to consider. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to find like this one, Samo. Okay, this was very hot, but now the trading volume is very low. So you know, maybe it's not a good choice. I like Voyak. I like this one. I'm holding some nice bag. Okay, so but my bag is full there, so I want to find something else. Norm is pretty hot. 5 million trading volume, but we have only 27 million market cap. Okay, that's crazy. What is not bad. Maybe I will do some DCA there. Okay. And also, guys, make sure you understand that there are many crazy meme tokens coming out there every single day, especially on Solana, and now the base chain is also hot. So you know, maybe you need to take some advantage when the market is dipping like crazy. And be careful. Check this one, 89 million bucks. Is that crazy? 89 million? That's crazy. I don't even know who is that. So go and check it out. So that's my secret sauce. Find the market cap, find a good trading volume, make sure their social media extremely active, their community is crazy for them, and you know, make sure maybe you get back from more meme tokens, because you never know which one going to outperform something else. So according to me, don't be surprised, and if we hit this one Doge token like 5-6x from now on, Shiba, don't be surprised if this hit again all-time high, 60 million. Pepe, don't be surprised if this hit Dogecoin right now, so that's like 7x, what is not bad at all. You know, we talk about 5-6x, it's like crazy. Bread, so Bread is good one. Popcat, I really like this one, that's a very good one. Trump, if Trump win, you know, this can going explode. This is for Biden, this also before election can be very interesting. So this one is down now, this one is down now, so maybe it's a good time to get in, maybe not, maybe do whatever you want. And that's about it. I just want to share my opinion. In the comment down, let me know what is your favorite one of the meme tokens, and make sure you leave a comment, because you can win 30 bucks for free, because I'm giving away every couple of weeks for all my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe to all my social media. If you want to chat with me, join my social media, because it's free for you. All right, I love you all. I will leave you till the next one, and again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what's your favorite token. All right, goodbye.